Hello everybody, this is Survival Man here, back with another video. Today we're going to be shooting some airsoft gun and paintball gun. So, up first is the Taurus airsoft gun. Here, take 6mm BBs, plastic BBs. See, Taurus, alright. That piece of wood is our target. Okay, wait. So alright, okay, so next up is the see, this is the what is it? The M9 Beretta Airsoft blowback gas, green gas. So let's go. This baby's gonna be sweet. Okay, so here we go. We had a little technical difficulties for a second, so here. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do a couple now.
Yeah, out of gas.
Okay guys, so now we got the Cronus paintball gun. We got 20-ounce Empire CO2 in it. We got, so there's the Cronus, we got a thing there with we got our paintballs in it, we got with the sights on it and the handle. So let's go. Okay, I'm gonna do a really fast one. Alright, that's out.
So that pretty much it?
Wait, just unpause. Alright. That's just gonna end the video now, so hope you enjoyed. Watch some more of my videos and see you next time.